I grew up always being active and living an active lifestyle. I just loved what I got from lifting weights and working out. I was working out a lot and overtraining essentially, and it set me up for failure. And on a snowboarding trip, I injured myself, and since then it's just been steadily declining. Every day I wake up and I'm in pain. I feel like I'm not truly myself. And I have to keep pushing because moving and being active feels good. But at the end of whatever activity I do, it's extremely painful and I break down every time. I saw a lot of people got a lot of opinions, and most of them just said, yeah, this is what you need to do to fix it. Some of them brushed me off, and it wasn't until Dr. Patel who said, this is what's going on, we can fix it.
Back pain is so common that I believe it is the second most common reason individuals go see their doctors. You can see this is very degenerated. You can't see the disc versus the bone. Here you can see clearly there's bone here and disc here. Haley had a very unique situation where she only had one problem. In other words, only one disc was involved, and she had a perfectly normal spine everywhere else, as she should at age 29. But that one disc, the bottom one, which is the L5S1 level, was completely degenerated. The implant itself is plasma sprayed so that bone grows into it. So bone will grow through the keel and on each end plate, and it will become a solid structure, but the polyethylene will allow motion, both this plane and forward and backwards. So the idea is it's going to try to simulate what her spine was doing before.
It is just shy of 8 weeks post-op, and my pain has been completely eliminated. I am not in any pain anymore. It almost seems surreal that I can do this again. It's such an indescribable feeling to go from where I was to where I am now. I can't explain the joy that I'm in, and it makes me not take my health for granted anymore. I'm getting back to myself and back to who I used to be, and I was in such a low place, and it's amazing what chronic pain can do to a person, and not just physically, but emotionally. I've been lifted out of that, and I can't wait to get back to mountain biking and lifting weights like I used to do, and that'll be in another 4 weeks.